5, 4. Well, look at you, all the places you could be right now, from the stark beauty of Iceland across the Scandinavian landscape all the way to Mother Russia, maybe even a brief stop in Estonia, but instead you find yourself joining us at our final destination of this season, Riga, Latvia. Well, you're a silly chicken, aren't you? So you'd better put on your best Spider-Man suit and join us for this episode of Geocaching Adventures. At the mouth of the Daugava lies Riga, the capital city.
Hey guys, welcome to Riga, Latvia. We are here in the center of the old town square. So we're here, we're going to find a virtual cache, we're going to find some traditionals, we're going to go to an event, and we've got a surprise guest for this video. So pay attention and see if you can pick him out. Alright, we're going to have fun. Come along for another geocaching adventure in Riga, Latvia.
Founded in 1201, Riga's historical center is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and with its storied history and beautiful buildings, it was a perfect place for our final geocaching event of our trip.
So we've walked over to the downtown square now. We're just waiting for the event to start, and I'm just wondering who might mysteriously show up into the shot at some point in time. I heard Chuck might be around here somewhere. If you see him, let me know. Chuck, how you doing, buddy? Chuck made it. Let's go have some fun.
Having sufficiently been chucked for the day, we followed Mrs. Monkey to adventure through the cobblestone streets of Riga, searching for history, fun, and geocaches. RCA 777 says it's here. No. Mrs. Monkey hears voices saying it's right about here. Found it. We are nothing like discreet geocaching tourists.
All right, RCA 777 has his traditional now.
Latvia, good to go.
So it's the photographer and the vlogger are always the last ones behind everybody else?
That's right, we're always following behind. Have to try and keep one eye out for the rest of the crowd, otherwise you get lost, right?
That's right,
yeah.
But you get amazing shots.
It's worth it. You gotta wait a couple minutes, right, to get the shot, I think, sometimes, but yeah, it's a lot of fun.
So if people wanted to see any of the photos from this adventure that Landsharks are posting, where would they go?
Well, we'll have some on our Facebook page, a lot of them on our Facebook page. That's the Landsharks Facebook page, of course, and some on our travel.landsharks.ca site, and then I also post most of them on Twitter.
There you go. Check it out.
Okay, enough of this tomfoolery. I want some culture and an earth cache, not necessarily in that order. So our next stop was the famous Freedom Monument. Yes, it's an earth cache, but more importantly, it honors the soldiers killed during the 2-year Latvian War of Independence. So after a pause to reflect and capture a shameless promotional video, we continued with more exploring of the beautiful old city of Riga before we headed back down towards the river Daugava.
Guys are making our way through the old town in Riga, heading out to a bridge and find one more traditional before we make our way back to the cruise ship and call it a day. So we'll take you to that one. Hopefully we'll have a quick find there, or at least a fun find, and then we'll look at wrapping it up. All right, let's find another geocache. You know how we said we were just doing the one more cache on the bridge? Yeah, just one more cache. There's just one more cache.
And with the siren cacher's call of just one more, we headed back through the old city for one more find at Ave Sol. It's not far from our cruise ship. Mr. Landsharks made the final find, and it's back to the ship.
Hey guys, we hope you had a great time. We had an amazing time here. This is a beautiful country. It has been so much fun. We have seen 7 different countries around the Baltic on our adventure with the Landsharks. So remember to follow us. Remember to click like on this video if you could. We'd really appreciate that. follow this channel, and of course, follow us on Instagram and Twitter at LANMonkeyGC for all of our adventures. There's always something fun and cool going on. So thank you for watching. Remember to cache safely and cache often.
Thanks for enjoying Season 1 of Geocaching Adventures with us. Make sure you subscribe to never miss an episode as we get ready to launch Season 2 of our geocaching adventures.